Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I just wanted to show you a little addition I've added to my daily 21s that I think is just worth doing. And it's band pull aparts. And the reason I've added this and the reason I think it's worth doing is because the way we live our lives, we typically don't get a lot of love or attention. We don't give a lot of love or attention to our back and our shoulders. We live mostly up here. A lot of people, their posture they just kind of shrink and their shoulders internally rotate and their neck comes forward, and we just live here and we don't rarely get to just open up. And if we give our back some attention, it helps us just stay more open. So again, I've made a video about one of the secrets to youth is just having a strong backside. And it may just be having an alive or awake backside too, so that we're not all just walking through life in the fetal position, but that we're able to be open. So again, just something I've added. It feels good, but it turns the back on, it just puts a little bit of vitality in your backside, and it helps with your posture. So, and you can do this in different planes or different vectors. The one that I like to do is just pull apart. And when I pull the band apart, like I'm trying to rip it, and once it touches my chest, I try to go further back, like squeeze my shoulder blades together. And I'll do this for 21 reps in the morning when I'm doing my other daily 21s. And you can see, like, it turns some things on. You can also do this horizontally. Different vector, different angle, right? So it's gonna be a little bit different. You can also do it from the top. And the thing is, you wanna control the band, and don't let the band control you. So like, don't let it pow, because that doesn't feel good. So you wanna be in control. And again, this is just to turn things on and to let them know that you care, you love them, and you would like to keep having them. Because the bodies use it or lose it, which means it's use it and keep it. And your body wants to know you need it, right? So if you show it that you need it by using it, it will let you have it. Anyway, if we show up every day and we do simple movements to let our body know, hey, love you, want to keep you, then it will give itself to us and we'll get to keep it. And we won't lose our posture, we won't lose our energy, we won't lose our outlook. And I said outlook because your posture, how you carry yourself, affects your emotions. If you're going to walk around like this all the time, you're going to be down, you're going to be depressed, you're going to be sad. But if you walk around like this all the time, you're going to be like, hey, how you doing? I mean, you're just gonna feel better. So everything's connected, right? How you move and how you hold yourself is definitely gonna affect your emotions and how you think. Anyway, consider pull aparts of some type in your daily routine because, well, it just may help keep you young and feeling good. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.